Hello everyone, it's Ewing here and Akira. So let's go to the kitchen. So these are the ingredients for tonight's dish. Beans will cook igado and pigar pigar, the Ilocano dish. Now Beans started cooking the first dish called igado. So guys, this is how igado is cooked. If you can see it, it seems very simple to our chef. Then he add the seasonings and then the vegetable to cook for just few minutes. So let me tell you guys, did you know that Vince is a good cook? So he always requested when guests came over here to our flat. Oh, that's how to cook pigar pigar. I learned a new recipe again. Galing mo talaga, Vince. I can't wait any longer. I'm suddenly hungry from what I see here in the kitchen. My goodness.
A few moments later.
Wow, come and join me for a delicious dinner tonight. So let's taste it. Very nice. So let's enjoy the delicious dinner. Thank you, Beans and Kishor and Thelma, for always sharing the blessing with me here in this flat. Feels like that I ordered food from restaurant. Actually, Vince is a good cook, so that's why every time that there's a guest, they requesting that he cook something for them. Akira, you will eat later, huh? After I finish my food. Okay, I'm done eating, so we can talk again. Akira is waiting. Actually, she's also, when she smells something, come here, baby. When she smells something, she's like that. But actually, I'm not allowing her to eat some table food. Otherwise, she will stop again eating her dog food. But sometimes I give a little only, but the problem is when I start again feeding her some table food like that, she's again starting not to eat the dog food. So this is my baby, and she really want to say hi to our audience. Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Akira here from Pinoy in abroad here in UAE. Just like that. She really want to be with me. Right? Right, baby? You know the rules and regulations inside the house? Just like that. So that is our short video for today. Thank you for watching, guys. Until next time. Bye-bye.